And if you're someone who wants something that will boost the performance of your moisturizer, use a serum before your moisturizer. Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you the Ipsy Glam Bag confirmed choices for the month of August 2021. And it's very exciting because there are products in here that they did not reveal in the spoilers. Yes, but before I do that, before I share it with you, I just want you to know that the Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly beauty bag subscription for $12 where you get 5 deluxe size products, and sometimes you're lucky enough to pick a full size product. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first product here is the Balm Cosmetics Liquid Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow in Rosé. Yes, and this is the deluxe sample at 1.5 milliliters, and guess what? This is a shimmery rose gold color. And it's also cruelty-free. That means it's never tested on animals. I myself, I love the Balm Cosmetics. I love all of their makeup. And guess what? I actually use a liquid eyeshadow when I'm super lazy. I just put it on, put some mascara, blush, and lips, and I'm good to go. Or if you want your shimmery powder eyeshadow to pop even more, put this first as a base, and then put your shimmery powder eyeshadow on top of it. I kid you not, it's gonna pop like crazy. Yes! So the next product is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I myself, I love Glow Recipe products. I love their packaging. It's super cute. But more than anything, it's simple and it delivers the job. This one is also a deluxe sample at 5 milliliters. And guess what? This one also has avocado. It also has retinol, which is known for its anti-aging benefits. And it also has antioxidant ingredients such as coffee berry as well. All you have to do is just put on at night, and hopefully once you sleep and wake up, it will solve all our eye problems. Yes. So the next product is the Beauty for Real 24/7 Gel Eyeliner in Olive. So I must assume that this one is like a dark green. I myself, I've tried some of the Beauty for Real's products, and I must say I really love it. And this eyeliner, guess what, is full size and it's valued at $16. So that on its own paid for your bag right away. And the good thing about this eyeliner is that it's waterproof, it's super pigmented, and you can also use it on the waterline. So for me, if you can put the eyeliner on your waterline, it's a win because that means it's not going to smudge. Yes. And the next product is, guess what, another full-size eyeliner for Beauty for Real. And this one, the color is in Storm, and looking at it, looks like the color of this is black. And the good thing about this eyeliner as well is that you can also smudge it and put it on as a base before you do your smoky eyes. And the next product is the Marc Anthony Super Fast Strength Leave-In Hair Conditioner. I myself, I've tried Marc Anthony products. I love the packaging. It's super cute. It also all smells good and it performs very well. This leave-in hair conditioner also helps with frizziness, dryness, breakage, and it also has vitamin E, ginseng, and caffeine to strengthen and moisturize the hair. Yes! So the next product is a full-size lip balm, and it's the Shea brand Shea Natural Lip Balm in Original, and it's valued at $8. This one also has shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E and beeswax. Those are all great ingredients for the lips. Yes! And the next product is the Verso Skincare Facial Cleanser, and this is a deluxe sample, and guess what? This facial cleanser cleanses your skin and also takes out the makeup at the same time. And it also has exfoliating benefits. And it also has mango and papaya enzymes to help break down the dirt and dead skin cells on the skin. But it also has shea butter and vitamin E that balances everything out. Yes! So the next product is the Item Beauty Light Sauce Gel Moisturizer. And this is a deluxe sample and it's an Ipsy exclusive. And this is also very good for someone who has oily skin. It also has glycerin, tiger grass extract, and ceramides as well. And it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and dermatologist tested. You'll never go wrong with that. So the next product is the Pixi Fresh Face Blush in Ginger Blossom. I myself, I love Pixi products. I think in the drugstore category, they're for me one of the high ends. It's affordable, yet it delivers such great results. And this blush, guess what? Also has vitamin E, so it actually has that smoothing benefit of the skin and also hydrates your skin at the same time. And the company Pixi does no animal testing, and it's also 100% cruelty-free. Yes! And the next product is the Tint Beauty Brow Gel in Clear. It's also a full-size product valued at $14. And the good thing about this brow gel is that It's no fuzz. It also helps to define, sculpt, and tames the brows. If you're also someone who doesn't really wear a lot of makeup, just put some brow gel, some mascara, blush, and gloss, and you're good to go. Yes! And the next product is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. Wow! Dragon's Blood, what a name! And this is a deluxe sample at 15 milliliters. I used to work for Barney's and we used to sell Rodial. I must say, Rodial is actually a very good skincare line. So if you are a skincare junkie, this is something that you should take a look into. And this one also helps to plump the skin because it also has collagen, it also has plant-based volumizers, and it also has moisturizing glycerin to smooth and firm and tighten the skin as well. Yes, oh my gosh, I think I need this because I need some anti-aging benefits on my skin. And the next one is the Authentic Beauty Concept Hydrating Hair Mask. And this is a deluxe sample. And guess what? This is very good for someone who has dry, coarse, or curly hair. And this mask is also packed with mango and basil extract that will hydrate, boost shine, and restore bounce and elasticity on your hair. All you have to do is just apply it on clean damp hair, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off. It's also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Yes! And the next product is the Lottie London Sun-Kissed Coconut Scented Bronzer in Sun Catcher. Let's face it, who doesn't like Lottie London? I myself, I love Lottie London. The packaging is so cute. And it's also very pigmented, so you don't need to use a lot. And this bronzer, guess what? It's lightweight, it's oil absorbing. That means it's not going to smudge on your skin, hopefully. And it also has a sweet coconut scent. Oh my gosh, and it smells good too. How can you go wrong? And this bronzer is also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Yes! And the next product is the M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in Queens. And the good thing about this liquid lipstick is that it also is very comfortable on the lips because it's lightweight, it's non-drying, non-chalky, and this one also says that it's a blush pink color. But looking at it, it doesn't look blush pink. It looks more of a brownish mauve. But you know what? It doesn't matter. If you want a lip product that stays on the lip, liquid lipsticks are the ones for you. Yes! And the next product is the Tony Moly Moisture Boost Cooling Marine Concentrate Serum. And if you're someone who wants something that will boost the performance of your moisturizer, use a serum before your moisturizer. And the good thing about this serum is that it's 10 milliliters. That's pretty big for a deluxe sample. And it's also plant-based, and it will also help with dry, dehydrated skin. It will also help to cool, hydrate, and plump your skin as well. Yes! And guess what? If you actually want a cooling and plumping effect, you can also put this in your fridge as well. Yes. And the next product is the Element Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Eden and Shallow. And it's a deluxe sample. And I myself, I love all these little powder eyeshadows because you know what? They last forever. And this powder eyeshadow says that you can actually use it with your brush or with your fingers. And it's also vegan, cruelty-free, and it's also all natural. And finally, the last product here is the Sophia plus Mabel Lip Slick Hydration Lip Oil in Juice Bar. And this is another full-size product valued at $19. And guess what? This hydrating lip oil leaves your lips feeling kissable all day long. And I mean, who doesn't like kissable lips? I myself, I'm a very big fan of lip oils because they feel good, they last all day, plus it also gives you a look of a gloss. So, guess what I chose of all these confirmed choices? I actually chose the Sophia plus Mabel Lip Oil, yes! Because you know what? You'll never go wrong with it. You can use it all year long during the summer as well as on the colder season. How about you? What product would you choose out of all these? Please let me know in the comment section below. And there you go. If you enjoy videos such as this, please support it by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as my new episodes where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a topic that's close to my heart, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alicat Castle, reminding you that you are beautiful with or without makeup, and that you deserve all the best in this world because you deserve the best. Yes! And there you go. I'll see you again soon. I love you. Bye!